new video. This time on the Golf GTI Mk7 Club Sport. Obviously you've seen it in the other videos. It's Jake's beast. The next modification is going to be here. Well, it's not really. Well, it's kind of a modification. Is EBC brake pads, front and rear. It's gone for the red stuff. So we're going to start with the rear and then head to the front. Obviously it's got electronic handbrake. I did think that was going to need a VAGCOM, but turns out you don't actually need one. So all the haters that are saying, oh yeah, you need one, then just troll in the comments because we're about to do it without one. So yeah, if I can't do it, I'll take it right back. Obviously if you've not seen this car before, it's Golf GTI 66 plate Mk7. We've lowered it on H&R springs, was it? Yeah. H&R springs. It's got spacers on it as well. Have you seen in the video in the top right hand corner? If you want to watch, just put spacers on it. He's slowly doing bits to it, but now we're just going to upgrade the brake pads. Brake discs are fine. Brake pads just need changing. So I want to actually get this done. So I'm just going to film one side of it. I'm not going to film the first side because it's going to be a learning curve. Let's go. Just cleaning his wheel. We've done one side, now moving over to the left side. So obviously they've got a electronic handbrake, which is here. So this is not how to, but this is I'm just going to tell you how to do it.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
Because I can't be bothered to tell you every step by step, but you sort of get the picture. Got the car up, but we took the ignition out, the keys out the ignition, with the handbrake off. So the handbrake's actually off, so you can spin the wheel. And what I'm going to do is take the caliper off here, not the whole caliper, just the top half with the pads, and then you take the electronic handbrake off. I'll show you how, and then wind the electronic handbrake in, and then we'll also push the piston back in, put the brake pads on, so on and so forth. Let's do it. The first things are these two Allen key on the slider pins here, one up there and one down the bottom. I think they're normally 7mm, but can't be exact right now. So the two sliding pins, they're out. They're going to need greasing up before we put them back in. Then all we got to do is, when it focuses, pop this retainer clip out. Okay, clips out, put that down with the rest of the shit, and then this will come off, but I'm going to need two hands. Okay, so that slides off. Brake pads, that's a sort of advisory from Volkswagen. It's got a bit of life left, but obviously not enough. And these are the EBC red stuff we're going to be replacing it with. So now to the hard bit. Normally, what you'd do is you'd wind that caliper, just push it straight back in, but we can't do that because of the electronic handbrake. So I'm actually going to remove it. On this, there was two Torx bolts, which were T30 bolts holding it on. So I'll take that mechanism off and I'll show you how to do it from there. Okay, but one's there and one is there. If you can see that, yeah. Okay, so these two bolts are undone now, so this should wiggle off. Okay, so that wiggles off, you're left with that, and then also this end of the caliper, which is the reason why you can't push this piston in. So all I'm going to do, you turn that clockwise, you can turn it with your hand. I just turned it for you, keep going, till it sort of locks out. There, so that's locked out. So basically the handbrake now, the handbrake piston is pushed right to the edge now, so it's going to allow me to push this piston all the way in to meet it. So now I'm going to use my little winding tool, which is rusty as fuck, and wind the calipers back in. Now all I'm going to do is do reverse order, but just going to apply a bit of grease to the back and apply a bit of grease to these sliding pins, and then put it all back together, and then I'll show you what to do when it comes to turning the car on. Push the brake pedal all the way to the floor. All the way, that's it, yeah. Now lift it up all the way, and now push it hard again. Yeah.
That's pretty solid.
Gone hard now, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, now, turn the car on, and we're gonna hope.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and now we're gonna hope there's no lights. This is a problem with these new cars, they just shit the tank. Okay, so pump the brakes. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right, this is the moment of truth. Put the handbrake on.
Says it's on.
Now take it off.
I don't know how. You don't just do it. One sec. There we go.
We got any lights? No. That's how we fucking roll. So you don't need a VAGCOM to change the rear pads on an electronic handbrake car. But yeah, so obviously I hope you kind of gathered that. But if you do think you need a VAGCOM for it, you don't. There is a way around it. It's not even sketchy. You just take it off and you put it in. It takes an extra like 2 minutes each side. Now we're going to do the fronts. There's nothing special about the fronts. It's easy to do. Touch wood. Let's go get this done before it gets dark. And if you're liking what you're seeing, make sure you click subscribe. Let's go. So we're just on the front one. I've had it all off, everything. We're just going to put them back on, and literally the worst things happened. They're the fucking wrong pads. They're not the right size at all.
No! God, please, no! No!
That is like one of the most annoying things ever. Like, that is just, right. This is what's came off, and this is what we got. Look. Two different, completely different. So, back they go in the box. Back to EBC, for fuck's sake. What a waste of time. So at least it's got good brake pads on the rear, but this video will have to continue when we get the brake pads for the front. So that'll probably be the end of the video today. Let's put it all back together, just to train. If you like this video, make sure you click subscribe. Obviously we're going to be back on the CT next week. Peace. Bye. Any more videos you want to see on this, make sure you click subscribe and put in the comments you want to see us do this to it, you want to see us do that to it, because we will do it, we don't care.